Good morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. Let us continue with the chapter Profit and Loss. Today, our topic is Profit and Loss. Before that, let us be familiar with some terms related to it. Cost price. The price at which the shopkeeper buys the good is called cost price. That means the price at which the shopkeeper buys the things is called cost price, and it is denoted with CP. Selling price. The price at which the shopkeeper sells the good is called selling price. That means the price at which the shopkeeper sells the goods to the customer is called selling price, and it is denoted with SP. Next topic is profit. If the SP is greater than CP, there is profit. That means if selling price is greater than cost price, there is profit. If so, we can find the profit by using the formula profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Example, Rahim buys kite from the wholesale dealer at rupees 5. That means cost price of the kite is 5 rupees and sells them at a rate of rupees 7. That means selling price is 7. How much does he gain on each kite? For each kite, how much gain does Rahim get? So we can write cost price of a kite is equal to rupees 5. Selling price of a kite is equal to rupees 7. From here, it is clear that SP is greater than CP. Selling price is greater than CP. When selling price is greater than CP, we can say that there is a profit. We can find how much is the profit by using the formula profit is equal to SP minus CP. While substituting the value we get, instead of SP we can write rupees 7 minus, instead of CP we write rupees 5. That is equal to 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 rupees. So Rahim get 2 rupees gain on each kite. Next topic, loss. If CP is greater than SP, there is loss. That is, if cost price is greater than selling price, there is a loss. If so, we can find how much is the loss by using the formula loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Example, Rahim buys kites from the wholesaler at rupees 5 per kite. That means cost price is rupees 5 per kite. Suppose 2 of the kites that Rahim bought are defective, he sells them at the rate of rupees 2. So defective kite, he sells them at the rate of 2. That means selling price of the defective kite is rupees 2. How much does he lose on each kite? We have to find how much is the loss of Rahim in each kite. So we can write cost price of a kite is equal to rupees 5. Selling price of the kite is equal to rupees 2. From this, it is clear that CP is greater than SP. Cost price is greater than selling price. From this, we can say that there is a loss. When CP is greater than SP, there is loss. To find how much is the loss, we can use the formula loss is equal to CP minus SP. Cost price minus selling price. While substituting, we get rupees 5 minus rupees 2. That is equal to rupees 3. So Rahim lose rupees 3 on each defective kite. Now let's do some questions on page number 61. Question: tick whether there is profit or loss. From this we have to identify whether there is profit or loss, and also write the amount in both the cases. Whether it is profit or loss, we have to write how much it is. Okay. First question, CP. That is, cost price is 34, rupees 34. Selling price is rupees 40. We have to see whether there is profit or loss. From this, it is clear that SP is greater than CP. When SP is greater than CP, we can say that there is profit. Okay, and how we will find profit? Profit is equal to SP minus CP. That is rupees 40 minus 34. So answer is rupees 6. Second question, CP is equal to 290 and SP is equal to rupees 215. From this, it is clear that CP is greater than SP. That means there is loss. Okay. To find loss, we can use the formula loss is equal to CP minus SP. That is rupees 290 minus rupees 215. While subtracting, we get amount as rupees 75.
Next topic, additional expenses. Additional expenses. Additional money spent on transportation, labor or maintenance of the goods purchased by shopkeeper is known as additional expenses. Additional expenses are called overhead charges. These additional expenses must be added to the amount he pays to buy goods to determine the cost price. That means to find the cost price of an item, we have to add overhead charges of that item to the price of that item to get the exact cost price.
Example, a shopkeeper bought an Alamara for rupees 3,579. That means price of Alamara is rupees 3,579 and spent rupees 150 on its transportation. So this expense for the transportation comes under overhead charges. So this is the overhead charges of the Alamara. So cost price we can find it by adding these two amounts. Price of the Alamara plus the overhead charge. Now he sold it for rupees 5,000. That means selling price of the Alamara is rupees 5,000. We have to find whether it is profit or loss and how much it is. So we write price of Almara is equal to rupees 3,579. Overhead charges is equal to rupees 150. Therefore, we can write cost price of Almara is equal to rupees 3,579 plus rupees 150. That is equal to rupees 3,729. So we get CP as rupees 3,729. And it is said that he sold it for rupees 5,000. That means selling price of Almara is equal to rupees 5,000. From this, it is clear that SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP. When SP is greater than CP, it is clear that there is profit. And profit we can find by using the formula profit is equal to SP minus CP. That is equal to rupees 5,000 minus rupees 3,729. That is equal to rupees 1,271.